For my first capstone topic, I focused on extreme storms and was able to analyze how they affect the world around them, namely the city of New Orleans. I have some family in New Orleans and have visited the city countless times, often learning about the experiences from Hurricane Katrina and remembering how it affected them. Hurricanes coming up from the Gulf specifically are the biggest threat to the city. New Orleans is at a major disadvantage when it comes to storms due to its location below sea level inside a basin. Flooding is easy considering the geography and can easily destroy countless neighborhoods and businesses, evident through Hurricane Katrina. Attribution of climate change to storms can come across in multiple ways due to their nature, but clearly the severity of future storms is increasing as time passes due to the abundance of warm water and perfect conditions for hurricanes and tropical storms to form. Clearly, stronger hurricanes will produce a devastating effect on communities and people in its path, causing flooding and strong winds that can easily harm the city. While there is no clear-cut solution to hurricanes and tropical storms, environmental damage can foster the possibility of reducing the effect they have on cities. Since Katrina, New Orleans has focused on improving the levee system along with further protection from flooding, but the city will always remain at a constant threat from severe storms.